Hey, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Sylvia, and today we're going to be doing something super exciting. Jumbo knotless braids using the elastic band method. This is a super easy and neat way to get your braids looking flawless, especially for those of us with 4C hair. So if you're ready to slay these braids, let's get started. Alright, first things first, we want to start with clean, damp hair. I'm going to be using a leave-in conditioner to keep my hair moisturized and soft. For this tutorial, I recommend using a moisturizing spray or oil, especially if you have 4C hair to prevent any dryness. Next, you want to make sure your hair is fully detangled. I like to use a wide tooth comb or my fingers to do this. We're trying to avoid any knots during the braiding process, so detangle as thoroughly as possible. Now, we're going to section the hair into manageable parts. I recommend working with small sections because it'll make the braiding process much easier, especially if you're new to braiding. For this jumbo braid look, you don't need to be too precise, but make sure the sections are as even as possible so that the braids look neat and uniform. I'm going for about 6 to 8 sections. This will give you a jumbo effect, but still allow for flexibility. Here comes the magic elastic band method. This method helps keep your braids super neat and secure. I'm going to take my elastic band, place it on the section I want to braid, and tie it to create a base for my knotless braid. Place the elastic band at the root of your section and tie it around, creating a little puff at the base. This is going to make the base of your braid extra secure and give it a clean, knot-free look. Make sure it's tight enough to hold the hair in place, but not too tight to cause tension. We don't want any breakage or discomfort. Now we're going to start the braid. Take a section of your braiding hair and divide it into 3 equal parts. I like to use a bit of edge control or a gel to make sure the hair blends nicely with my natural hair. Start braiding from the root of your natural hair, and as you reach the end of your natural hair, gradually add in more braiding hair, making sure it's smooth and even. This is key to getting that knotless look, no bulky knots at the root. Make sure you're gently adding hair as you braid down. The trick is to keep the section small and consistent so that the braids come out smooth and seamless. Now that I've finished my jumbo knotless braids, I'm just going to tie them up with a scarf or satin wrap for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the braids settle in and stay neat. Once you take it off, you'll have these super neat, lightweight, and beautiful jumbo braids. You can add some mousse to help keep the braids in place and make them shine. And there you have it, easy, neat, and gorgeous jumbo knotless braids. The elastic band method is a game changer, especially for those with 4C hair, because it eliminates the bulky knots and gives you a smooth, sleek look. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and be sure to subscribe for more hair tutorials, tips, and tricks. I'd love to see your take on these jumbo knotless braids. Tag me on Instagram so I can see your beautiful work. Until next time, take care and stay fabulous.